In this video, I'm going to be demonstrating the data point viewer widget in the dashboard view of MARACOOS OceansMap. So in order to access this widget, the user can open the Add Widgets button and select Data Point Viewer. So here we have our preview section and the settings section down here where we are prompted to select our parameter. So this list gives the user an option of every single parameter that they're able to select for this widget. So it's quite extensive, so the user can search for different parameters. For this example, let's use Atlantic wave height as our first parameter. And let's say we'd like to compare that model wave height for Atlantic GFS with an observation station. So we can go ahead and select the Nantucket NDBC station. And what this does is, because this is an observation station, we're now prompted to select from a list of parameters that are measured at that station. So we can go ahead and select wave height, but then if we also want to know what the water temperature is, we can select that. So now we have our preview of the widget with data loaded in and the list of parameters here, and the user can edit this list and delete parameters as needed there. So then next is this time section. So by default, we're set to 48 hours in the past, so 2 days in the past, or the user can select a specific date and time. For this example, let's set this to 0. So we're looking at the current conditions at this location. And because we selected an observation station, we have the location set to that station, and the user is not able to change the lat and long. If this was just a spatial layer like Atlantic wave height, we'd be able to move the location or manually input lat and long. And we're going to set a title. So let's call this current conditions. And we can go ahead and add this widget. You can see we now have this data point viewer widget here in the top left. We can delete the widget, edit the widget, or resize the widget depending on what we need. And then if the user would like to lock the dashboard, they can go ahead and lock that. And now we just have the widget here without the option to delete, edit, or resize.